Hadin balami Khubor hakilat pathai, hakini ki khendiat sngi, Halor ke Jingja, Khubborjylla, Hamalvia Nagar, hakaba ki nongsong shnong jong ke Jylla Arunachal Pradesh, kila Shah Thombor hakibrio Delhi. Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ki Sangma, habek range kilat pathai Khubor haka arpulai terik rempang arjar arpun riu, ulo ong bukum kini ki Jingja, Shah Thombor ki brio ki banakathan chatei lamingi, kala jana kapor shakapor, bat ulo ong begitu ki brio ki Thombor, ki penun kam de ki ketin si, bat ke Jingle jongki nginum laban pediang kum kinong shong shnong kari India. Konrad ulo ong bukum kinong shong shnong kathan chatei lamingi nene ki wei ki benta jong kari India klem ke jingburam yi ki wei kanom don kalenti banwan ra ekaroi kapar bat ka shong suk shong san. Myntri Rangbah ulo ong bukum kini ki jingja nginum laban pediang. Na kaliang jong kum Myntri Rangbah unse shim yi ki sin jam ban lei Halor kani bat wan buat ban yekren bat ki bor ki Halor.
No, the recent incident that took place in Malvinagar against our northeast citizens from Arunachal Pradesh is truly unfortunate, and it is something that is, I should say, unacceptable in today's world. And the kind of the language that was used, the kind of words that were used, and the body language is something that is really, as I said, it was very sad, and I must say very unacceptable. How it was, how the way it was put, and the way the language was used, the way the words were used, is completely unacceptable. And in this point, as a state, as a region, as a country, as we are working towards moving forward together, these kind of statements and this kind of behavior only puts us back, 2 steps. We realize that in a diverse nation like India, we need to respect each other, and so therefore there is no excuse for that. And that happens, and that is something for us also to understand, that within our society also we need to practice the same thing, and as I say, we need to practice what we preach. So therefore we all have to do it. This has to be a universal thing, where people and citizens, whether it's from the rest of the country or from the northeast region or from wherever it is, without showing respect and without giving dignity to others, there is no way that we'll be able to see our country progressing in the way that we all would like to see. So therefore, I appeal to everyone, that this is not something that we should encourage. In fact, people should speak out. I hope that the local leaders there in Delhi, as well as the different leaders in terms of the community leaders also, will take serious steps to ensure that this does not happen. And I do encourage that we should have more and more awareness programs in these kind of ways, and especially for the people of Northeast, we need to also speak out about this to support each other. By speaking out, I don't mean you to say bad things about others. Please, that's not what I'm saying. Speaking out only means that you support one another. Speaking out means is that you appeal to others not to do this. Speaking out means you create the awareness to people who may not understand these kind of things that should not happen, because some people really don't understand it, and we've seen this, what happened in Malvinagar. So therefore, this is very unacceptable, and I hope that necessary steps and action will be taken. And from our side, whatever we can do to support our sisters from Arunachal Pradesh who face this, we are always there. I'm always there, and as I said, from my side, wherever necessary, we'll take up the matter even at the highest level. Thank you so much.